I know sometimes in life you go thinking, what size can I get for a 2-car garage? Well, check out this building right here. How's it going, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Now, we do often get the question of what size do I need to store 2 of my cars in a garage, or sometimes even more cars than that. Well, this building right behind me is going to be the perfect size for that 2-car garage. The width on this structure is going to be 24 feet wide. The length of it is going to be 30 feet long. And then the customer decided to get 10-foot tall legs. So it's going to be 10 foot tall up here to the eave of this structure. And it's going to be even taller than that in the middle because all of our buildings do come with a 3/12 pitch. Now, the doors that the customer got on this structure are going to be 9x8. Now, that is perfect for the vehicle that we drive. It's going to be the Discovery over here. But it looks like the customer did have a Ford F-150 over here on the side. So the doors that you're looking to get on your metal building to fit your 2 cars or even more than that, it's just going to be dependent on the type of vehicle and size vehicle that you have. So hopefully this is perfect for what the customer needs. And if you ever wanted to store, that F-150 inside of there, we would just need to put a bigger door on this building. But let's go check out the structure. All right, guys, starting with the outside of here, we're going to show that the customer got the A-frame vertical roof style here. Normally the buildings come with a standard roof, but he went ahead and upgraded to the A-frame vertical style. It's going to help with all the water and the snowfall, making sure that it runs away from the structure. Also, the customer decided to go ahead and pair that with the vertical siding. Normally our buildings come with horizontal siding, but the customer went ahead and upgraded to the vertical style. And then the customer did happen to get the colors black for the roof and the trim, and then paired it with this earth brown that we offer here on the siding for the sides and the end walls. And did happen to also pair it with the color screws that we offer. Now, normally American Steel is going to offer the galvanized screws that come with your building, but we do offer color screws just to make everything look a lot better and more aesthetically pleasing. But let's check out these roller doors that the customer did happen to get. Like I said earlier, these are the 9x8s here on this structure, and the customer did happen to get 2 of them, evenly placed here on the front. You can see here that the customer does have the latch for the doors on the outside, so they're not the chain hoisted version. And so not necessarily that you need a walk-in door to get inside this structure, but the customer did happen to get a 36 by 80 inch normal walk-in door around the side of the building. And we'll show some footage of that. Looks very nice. Now, the customer doesn't have any vehicles inside right now. He does have some stuff in there, but we're sure that later on the customer will fill it with whatever they decide to store this building with. All right, guys, well, that was a quick tour of this 24 by 30 foot by 10 foot tall 2-car garage. Now, this is going to be the perfect starting size for a 2-car garage, but that's not to say that you can't go bigger. You can always go bigger and add more doors and more storage. Now, if you are in the market to get a multiple car storage system, we do recommend that you put the doors on the sidewall and go longer, because here at American Steel Carports, it is cheaper to go longer than it is wider. Funny, right? But anyways, leave us a comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more future videos. We'll probably be showcasing a lot more bigger garages and warehouses and all that stuff. Lots of good stuff to come. This has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.